Hello Better Photography readers, welcome to day 4 of Photokina 2012. We are at the HP stall at Photokina, and as you can see, you're seeing the HP Indigo Photo Solutions right up there. And we are speaking with Mr. Appadurai, who is the country manager for India for HP. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Photokina. My name is Durai, and today in the next 3 to 5 minutes I'm going to take you through the Photokina stand of HP. I'm going to tell people who could make it to Photokina as to what's available in the HP booth. So I'm going to straight here start with the application area, where we're showcasing the best of applications which are available in the Indigo world today. I am very happy to share with you that out of all this application that you're seeing here, almost 50% of the applications have come from India, produced by Indian customers out there. You know, this is probably a great testimony as to how big our market is in the worldwide spectrum. And for us, the biggest belief is the creativity and the talent which is in India is getting appreciated in Photokina through the HP booth and its application. I'm going to show you some quick works that's come from India, so to say. This probably is a work which is done by a German, but all this work is being done in India. So this book is about faces of India. It captures the typical Indian pictures, right from Divis in Rajasthan, going to Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, and almost every nook and corner of India has been captured in this book. And this is one of the books which have been appreciated very well.
It's fantastic.
This book is actually produced by one of our customers here called CV, which is the largest brand of photo book out here in Europe. And again, an amazing piece of work, has a lot of Indian touch to work in. There are some really fantabulous work on the wedding side of the business. About 75% of the albums which are kept here are wedding albums from India. And I'm going to show you one of the greatest examples of the Indian wedding album. This gentleman that you're seeing here is the worldwide Vice President of HP Indigo, Mr. Alan Bartley. And he kind of gets married every 10th year. He kind of celebrates his wedding with the same lady every 10th year. And last time when he celebrated his 10th anniversary, 20th anniversary, he wanted to do the wedding in the Indian style. And we got him all those Indian costumes from India, and we sent it to Israel. And this whole wedding shoot is done, and we made the album in the Indian style. Now, the pictures out here is, all these people you're seeing are Jewish, Israeli people, and they're all dressed in Indian style. For us, this is kind of a great privilege for, HP India team, that our worldwide Vice President gets married in the Indian style. This is his father, who's wearing an Indian turban, and India is very popular. We in fact went to the extent of organizing Indian food during those.
Fantastic.
These albums have been produced by Glow Color Lab, which is one of the pioneers in India in terms of wedding albums.
Correct. Glow Color from Coimbatore.
They do some amazing pieces of work when it comes to wedding album. If you look at this album, usually probably we may not be able to feel the album looking at the video, but this is made out of a complete velvet finish. This is called GFT, Glow Feather Touch, and this is just world class. And I wish that my boss doesn't see this video, but this album is completely non-tearable, which means it's going to last forever. This has been printed in a non-tearable medium.
Fantastic.
So, amazing pieces of work that we have in India. Again, I'm going to quickly take you to the other side of the application area, where we are showing even more applications from India. Again, to start with, again, an Indian album which has been produced and produced by one of our customers in Rajmundry. Amazing piece of work. This is one of the work which qualified for the Worldwide Print Awards.
That's amazing. So this is an album which actually
it's a full size album.
So it's
made out of a single wooden box.
Fantastic.
Right? Printed completely on Indigo.
That's something unique.
So this is really long.
Yeah.
So if you come here, this is a again a work from Glow Color Lab. I mean, this is amateur photography. It's in parties. Look at this album. This is our the big fat Punjabi weddings that happen. The couple out here are actually the owners of an Indigo press. They run a business called Venus Albums. They kind of owners of Indigo and have turned to models also. This is the Punjabi wedding. Amazing pictures again. The quality of the albums. If you look at carefully the medias which are being used, we used 4 or 5 different type of medias, like from metallic to non-tearable, to the regular paper, to the non-textured paper and stuff. Again, an amazing work which is being produced by India. Displayed for you.
Beautiful.
Currently we have about 60 Indigo presses in the photo segment in India, again producing albums 24/7. Our business has actually tripled in the last 1 year. We measure our business by the number of pages which gets printed.
Right.
A lot of people are getting converted from silver halide to Indigo printing for the sheer convenience that Indigo offers. Obviously, you would be knowing that Indigo printers can print on both sides of India, which means the album weight is actually cut down to from 2/3 is being cut down.
Correct.
So album weight has been reduced by 66%.
60-70%.
Yeah, 60-70% the weight is reduced.
Right.
Now we have a range of media, again, which is never possible with the conventional silver halide technology. You have an option of gloss or matte.
Right.
But today we can print on materials like non-tearable, which will last for 200 years. Our concept is your wedding albums are made for generations to see.
Right.
If we give a guarantee of 200 years of life for the photography work that you're doing, that's really amazing, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So for us, this has been the biggest hit, and the silver halide convenience which you get in silver halide is not really great, I would say, because it takes a long time to get the wedding album back. Here, people talk about delivery times of 24 hours for a couple who's getting married. So a lot of tickets in Punjab, a lot of albums in Punjab come with a job card, which is the airline ticket. People get married today and they're like leaving tomorrow evening, so they can actually carry the wedding. Plus, it gives the advantages of making smaller albums, which can be distributed to the family.
Correct.
Not being practiced.
Correct.
Wedding is, a large part of our business. But we don't stop with wedding. We've been doing really some amazing work. We've done photography, printing work for very famous people, very famous wildlife photographers like Dinesh Kumble.
Right.
Recently, Sanat Sujan launched his book.
Sanat Sujan, yes.
Indigo Press. These are really, testament to our work which we do in India.
Right.
Customers like Canada who work with the top-notch professional photographers in the country.
Right.
Again, doing some brilliant jobs. I have 60 customers. Probably in this 3-minute video, we may not have time to list on all the 60 people, but we are getting there in terms of
Wonderful.
the market share.
Wonderful.